So we are here on a massive pile of shit, and I would like to introduce you Marta. And we are working this thing together, and she's an artist of all green aspects you can find in this world. So she's gonna take us for a round of her personal garden, explain us a bit what she does and how she does it. So, what do you think, Marta?
What do you think? What do you think?
¿Estás lista?
Hola David, hello.
Hola, Marta. ¿Qué
Está
tal?
todo bien.
Estupendo.
Well, this is not very English, but bueno.
No, no, para español bien
Vale.
lo organizamos.
No, I wanted to show you this big compost, you know, that it has 5 years, ¿no? Más o menos, sí. Y the base is la caña.
It's all
No?
cane, like we have this cane like grow extensively.
All these are the roots of la caña.
It's an abundant resources with
No?
organic matter, which is the cane root. And so we've just been harvesting it a few years ago, make a big pile, and now it all turned to scramble.
All these ones we use.
Yeah, and this is like very fiber, so it's really good to retain moisture. This works like a sponge in the soil and then capture moisture and then release it slowly in the ground. So that's why you always want to have a lot of organic matter in your dirt, in your garden bed.
¿Qué camino? Las papas! Han vuelto a salir.
Toma!
Oh, te vas a llenar de tiratos. Qué bueno. Mira otra vez las papas.
Okay, so this is Artemisia annua, which is a very famous plant for its healing properties, especially for malaria. And it's also used as aromatic, but it's mostly interesting for its healing properties. An antiparasite, like it cleans you, but is specially known and used and produced for malaria prevention and treatment. Okay, it sounds like it's a Chinese plant.
Yes.
Would be imported, obviously. They come from China.
And
Also, yeah, this is the second.
se llama Lisa, es la mujer de
¿De Popeye? No, de...
Popeye, ¿no?
No, de Popeye
De David el Gnomo.
no. Ah,
De
claro.
David el Gnomo, súper conocido.
Yo no lo conozco.
¿Cómo se dice zorro?
Fox.
Slip ya.
Fox.
Y entonces David montaba ahí en el...
She has a fox.
En el
She has a fox.
Y no, y ella es su mujer.
Eso la novia, ok.
No
Yeah, she's the lady of the guy who
Yes.
rides the fox.
So-
Lo hacen ahí, tranqui, no te preocupes.
Claro, le quitamos la voz, ¿no? Le quitamos la voz y ya. This is la ashwagandha, Witania sonifera. It comes from India. It's one Indian plant, and it's stimulant and aphrodisiac. It's like a natural Viagra. Yeah.
Okay, so here we have the nursery, mostly tree nursery, plant nursery. We have fruit trees, for mostly tropical and subtropical, and we have also like chemoya, cafe, pitanga, and a lot of aromatic too, herbs, and like passion fruits and so on. Here we have some spinach and some medicinal herbs, and more inside we find all like the most tropical and plants are more sensitive in the first stage, and then we keep them small and then slowly introduce them to the outside world. So we first keep them like this moist tropical greenhouse. Ginger? Jengibre o cúrcuma?
La cúrcuma.
Cúrcuma. Yeah, sometimes some basil, physalis, some perro, some more medicinal strawberries, pineapple. We got all African trees like baobabs and so on from Senegal and Guinea. And we're also drying some stuff. Here are passion fruits. I think we got banana passion fruits or what, like they are long and thin yellow passion fruits. And all of the star passion fruits, and Calendula, and more seedlings. But
Y here inside it's a little place to, well, it's one space that I can Bueno, I can dry the plants, de pimientas, las calabazas y bueno, un poquito de la stevia, la caña de limón, las rosas. Bueno, es un poco taller, es un poco armario, ¿no? De material de construcción, pero bueno, es en el futuro un secadero, ¿no? Donde podré bien colgar todas las plantas medicinales. ¿Qué quieres que diga? I grow sexy bananas. No, de banana.
Ah, pues dame.
¿Y qué digo de la banana? ¿Que son de aquí o qué? ¿Ves? Y aquí tenemos la larva de la mariposa monarca.
The caterpillar monarch nymph. Remember when I told you about butterfly, monarch butterfly? No, this very special migrating butterfly, awesome and known all over the world for being one of the most impressive migrating insect ever. And this is nympha, the caterpillar transformation right inside. And so I always been amazed at the beauty of this thing. It looks like pendientes, no? Earrings, you know, like jewelry, pure jewelry. Look at this gold. It's like fine gold and some black dots.
Sí, parece pintado.
Y es tan fino. Mira. Qué guapo, ¿no? El plátano. There are other people who pass by the farm and just drop seeds and plants, you know, so we don't have a sharp record of the origin of all those seeds. But these come from somewhere, that's for sure.
Yes.
And now it's here and we're looking after it.
Yes.
And we're gonna eat them. The same.
Yes.
That's it.
Because here is not commercial banana.
Yeah, it's not, it's very not non-commercial banana. No one would grow them on big scale. So that's why it's cool to have them, and we even have some young sprouts, and we would be able to split them and reproduce the plants. So very precious banana. We need to look after our red bananas a lot. Okay, Marta, I see a lot of this flower everywhere in the garden.
Mm-hmm.
They are good. You can eat them? True?
Yes, you can eat. Yes.
You can eat them.
You can eat inside.
Yeah. So this flower is really good to attract what we call beneficial insects, who all fight other insects that make damage. And at the same time, you can eat it and also keep away some bugs that we don't want to see in the garden. So it's actually free use of one plant.
Y también se pueden utilizar las flores para
Claro.
cosmética, para hacer maceraciones.
See, yeah, and you can do tincture, like a solution, and then you use it for making medicines and creams and treatment, or for cosmetic,
Yes.
or
For all problems
or for
of skins. Of skin.
for skin,
Psoriasis,
no, but cosmetic, very known for cosmetic. So that's for use.
bueno,
Which is-
cicatrizante y
Yeah, and healing properties, cicatrization, or what for wounds. So yeah, amazing plant, Calendula. Highly recommend it, and so tasty.
yes.
Yes.
Vale. ¿No? All these are the seeds. All is empty. Full, ¿no?
Full seeds.
So they give the new plants, no? So finally we have a big garden.
Spread on
Yes.
the side. Yeah.
Anticancerígeno, o sea, el té de guanábana,
No.
¿no?
See,
It's-
I cannot
it's-
tell you exactly for what it's good, but I know it's good.
Es de la familia de las chirimoyas, atemoyas, todas las
Pero da fruto.
hormonas. Sí, da fruto, pero tarda muchos años
Venga.
tarda unos cuantos años en florecer y en dar fruto.
Venga.
Pero bueno, podemos consumir las hojas para té anticancerígena. Bueno, pues here we have the garden of pimientas, de Canarias típicas. So this one is bueno, hay muchas, ¿no? But this one es la pimiento habanero, amarillo, y esta pimienta, creo, pinga de gato amarilla. No estoy muy segura ahora. Vaya, esto es muy viejo.
Yeah, she wished people to be more connected to the earth and to be more responsible for the food they eat and the resources they use, basically. So that's it. Thank you so much, Marta, for taking us around, showing us your place, your garden, your work, and it was very nice to see all the love you put in this and how creative you get. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Okay, gracias a ti.